Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly fix a leaky RV hot water heater. We noticed today that there was a drip from the pressure release valve on our water heater. As you can see, it's a slow drip, but it was enough to create this big puddle before we noticed the issue. Fortunately, we know a quick fix for this. If you have noticed a similar leak, first check where the water is coming from. If it is dripping from the front of the pressure release valve, you can probably use this quick fix. If it's leaking from somewhere else, you probably have a different issue. First, turn off the water heater. Wait an hour or so the water inside can cool. Then turn off the city water at your campsite, or turn off your water pump if you are dry camping. Then head inside and open the hot water faucet closest to your water heater and let all the water in the lines drain out. Then, go back outside, flip open the pressure release valve, and hold it open until no more water is coming out. Once water is no longer flowing out of the valve, remove your hand away to allow it to snap back in place. Then you can turn the city water back on, let water through the hot water faucet, and turn the water heater back on. And voila, we no longer have a drip. I checked again 24 hours later after multiple showers, and everything is still dry. If your drip continues after trying this fix, try it 1 to 2 more times, and if you are still unsuccessful, you may have a faulty valve that needs to be replaced. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.